Hey guys, your girl Bria
And your boy Brayden. Welcome back to our channel.
And what we're gonna be doing today is riding. What we're gonna be doing today is riding our hoverboard.
Yay!
And it's our first time riding a hoverboard. I'm really nervous about this, but if it's your first time riding a hoverboard, get on your hoverboard and follow us. If this is your first time riding a hoverboard, we're gonna give you tips how to ride a hoverboard. And make sure you watch our videos. Watch our hoverboard video, because we'll give you tips all of how to ride it. Let's get this baby started.
Nope. I know how to turn mine. Let that.
Powered on.
Brady, be careful because they're getting in the car, so don't go down there. Turn around, bro. Whoa. Okay, Brayden, you got any tips, man? What's your tip?
Mine is I'm not afraid.
So, first tip is to not be afraid. Right?
Yep.
So you got to ride it with confidence?
Yep.
Okay, what's another tip?
So you can spin, but you just have to beat your knees like this.
So bend your knees. Let me back up.
And then you go like this. And then you spin.
And that helps you spin. Now, do you have to put your foot down a certain way in order to spin?
Yep.
How do you spin, Brayden? Right? So you bend your knees, almost like you're squatting.
Yeah, almost like you're squatting, but you just have to do like this. And then
So you put your knees down, you bend your knees, and you squat. And
there's another way that you can spin. You can just trust your body.
now, what about your feet? Are you pushing your foot in that direction? Are you the way you're spinning? Okay, so whatever foot that you're trying to spin to, that's the foot that you have to push down. So your tip was, Brayden, Brady, your tips were: don't be afraid, bend your knees, and make sure wherever direction you're trying to spin in, that's the foot that you're pushing down, right? And just have fun, right? And guys, keep in mind, this is Brayden's first time riding a hoverboard. He rode a few times in the house, but that's about it. This is his first time actually being outside riding a hoverboard.
I'm trying to
So I'm gonna try to help Bria. Bria needs a little more help.
Yeah, why are you gonna do it with one hand?
I have to hold the camera.
I'll hold
No, you can't hold the camera. You'll break it. Come on, get on. Go ahead. Just hold my hand. Now, come on. Now let's.
Whoa.
Whoa.
This is fun.
So you got to be like your brother. You can't be afraid. Remember your brother said, "Don't be afraid."
This is my tips. Have fun, be happy, and play.
And play.
Yep. That's my tip.
And your tips also, right? If you are a little afraid, to still just try, right?
Yep. Ooh. Like me, I'm standing on the grass, Daddy.
I see you. See, Braden is a really fast learner. He kind of learns. He's able to do everything pretty quick.
Look, I'm in the grass. I can't even. I'm stuck.
Yeah, Braden is able to do things pretty fast, but
You can't.
Bria, the good thing about Bria is she won't give up. She'll still try.
Yep.
And she'll catch on too.
Like I catch on. Ooh.
I try to encourage Bria that just because you don't get it the first time, to not quit. To keep trying until you actually are able to do it. I don't want her to get discouraged because our brother's able to do it faster. Oh, be careful. Bria, you was riding in the house without my hand. Come on, let's try to ride it. Let's try to ride without my hand.
No.
You gotta try.
I got it. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. You just told the viewers to not be scared. How you gonna say you scared?
Because
Come on, step on it.
can you hold on for me? Just one. Can I get on it? Because I can't get on it when it starts to move.
Okay, let me get Braden riding back.
Yeah, bye.
Do a spin, Bray.
Not on the box. You might go. Let's go. Now can you get on it? I need to get on there. Woo! Woo!
Bray just gotta ride with confidence. Come on.
I got you. How do you back up?
Push your feet back. No, push your body push your body backwards.
How do you do that? Like this?
Hmm. Like push your weight backwards and your feet. And make it go backwards. Don't move your feet. You're moving your feet now.
I'm trying to spin. It's hard to do a spin.
Push backwards. Go ahead. Push backwards. Push your feet back. Go ahead. Push back.
Trying to, but I might fall.
No, you're not.
This is hard.
There you go, Bri. Whoa! Don't get nervous. You just gotta try. Find your balance. Come on.
That's what you did. When you
I know. I almost bust my head too.
turn.
There you go, boo boo.
Whoa! No, not in the streets.
You weren't going in the street. You just panicked.
I'm trying to go in the street.
You gotta listen to your brother's advice. The number one tip he said was to not be scared.
Okay.
That's why Braden can do these things, because he's fearless. But Britt, even if you are afraid, you can always psych yourself out, okay?
Daddy.
But in a good way. Tell yourself that I can do this.
Daddy, can we go all the way over there? I'm really scared.
Don't be nervous. Tell yourself I can do anything I put my mind to. Say that. So I can do it. Say I got this. I will, but I want you to believe that. I want you to try. I want you to really try. I want you to come to me. I want you to try to come to me. Come on. You can. Come on. Let's go. There you go. Come on. Come on. You coming. You coming. Don't worry. Keep coming. Come on. Come on. You got it. Try again. You got it. Daddy believes in you. I believe in you. Come on. Come on. Come to daddy. Come on. Just come forward. Push your feet forward. It's okay. Do like this, like Brady said. Bend your knees and come to me.
I'm spinning.
That's because you got your feet in that direction. Your feet are going in two different directions. Balance your feet out.
Okay.
I want you to come to me.
No, not.
Come on. It's not that far. Come to me. Focus on what you're doing. Don't focus on Braden and don't focus on how far you are. Just focus on getting to me. Focus on coming to me. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You got it. Fix your feet. Fix your feet. Fix your body. Come on. There you go. Don't turn. Fix your feet. Fix your feet.
Dang, Brittany, what?
Don't grab him like that, bro. You can hurt him. All right. Come to me now. There you go. Fix your feet. Balance yourself. There you go. Don't turn. Don't turn. Turn your body back the other way. That foot. That foot. Turn it back straight. Yeah. There you go. Now keep it straight. There you go. There you go. Come on. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. You did it. Give me a hug. All right. You hear that? Your brother said he's proud of you.
Yeah, thank you. Give me a hug. I'm proud of you too. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Peace out.
I want to show you guys something real quick. This is why you never give up. Look at Bria today.
This is our second day playing all these hoverboards. I finally got it and I'm so happy. This is our second day. So, hey! This is B money. Hey guys, it's B money. This is the biggest money. Another B money. Look, PS money. I finally know how to go back now. And I finally know how to ride, y'all. And I know how to go fast. Woo.
See, look at Bria. This is a huge
Look, guys.
difference.
Look at this, guys. Woo. Right?
People would not believe me if I told you this is her second day. This is the second day. Yesterday, she barely could even ride the hoverboard. Look at her ride now. See, once you get over your fear, you could just ride free. Dab on them, Bree. Bow.
Whoever's haters, dab free. So, are you guys wondering why I got socks on? Because I let somebody else have my gloves. If you're wondering who she is, she's my cousin. I'm the Black Panther!
So, guys, even if you don't start riding the second day, even if it takes you a week, do not give up. Remember, you can do anything you put your mind to. Bria's living proof. Yesterday, you saw it. She was so afraid. She barely could ride. She had to hold my hand. And look how she riding now. She's riding like a pro. She can go forward. She can go backwards. She can spin. Look at that. This is no editing magic. It's no tricks. This is actually the next day. It's all about confidence. It's all about confidence, and it's all about just continuation. It's all about just doing the same thing over and over.